1. CivilAxE.com offers a vast library of civil engineering resources, including software tutorials, eBooks, and presentations. Provides updates on the latest trends, tools, and projects in the industry. 2. civilworld.graphy.com. This website offers specialized courses, digital tools, and resources for civil engineers at affordable price. Courses, topics like SketchUp, AutoCAD, and Vastu design with hands-on learning. Digital products, over 2,000 practice drawings, 100 plus Excel sheets, and handwritten civil engineering notes. Don't forget to download your certificate after purchasing the courses. You will get a certificate with the Civil World logo and your name on it. 3. The Constructors focuses on practical construction tips, methods, and on-site solutions. Features case studies, technical articles, and guides for construction professionals. 4. Engineering News Record (ENR) delivers comprehensive news on construction projects, industry trends, and innovations. Includes rankings and analyses of the top firms, projects, and infrastructure developments globally. 5. ASCE News, American Society of Civil Engineers. Updates on professional development, standards, and industry practices. Shares insights into ASCE initiatives, member achievements, and research advancements. 6. CEP Civil, Civil Engineering Portal. Provides free tutorials, project reports, and technical resources for civil engineers. Aims to build a community for knowledge sharing and learning. 7. CivilDigital, civilengineering.com. Offers a wide range of content, from technical articles to software reviews and engineering innovations. Serves as a one-stop platform for study materials, career tips, and practical guides. 7. The Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat, CTBUH. Specializes in resources on tall buildings, urban infrastructure, and sustainable design. Provides research, case studies, and global databases for skyscrapers and urban planning.